Hey guys, it's Ashley here, and I'm at 3614 West Gordon Drive, which is located on the west end of Jefferson City. Great central location on a quiet street here. So this property is main level living. You have primary bedroom on the main level, also laundry, and your garage on the main level. And upstairs you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms along with a full bath up there. You have a finished basement downstairs. The backyard is super private. You are going to love that. And also we have a freshly poured driveway, so it comes with a new driveway. So come on in, take a look inside.